The iPhone is a ubiquitous part of all of our lives. This was not always the case. There were many retro devices that were used to perform various tasks for us. These have all been replaced by the iPhone as a single device that can do many things. Here are a few retro devices that are no longer used because of the iPhone. The watch. There used to be a time when we would look at the watch to get the time. This is not what most of us do anymore. Most of us look at our phones to get the time. Some of us do not even carry watches anymore. The compass. Who uses a compass anymore? There's an app for that. With gyroscopes and GPS built into all smartphones, the compass, like many other gadgets, is now obsolete. Music players. Who can recall one of these Walkmans? iTunes took over and completely turned the music industry over its head. No more CDs and physical music albums. It's all digital downloads now. Cameras. This is true for all point-and-shoot cameras. They are not used anymore. With cameras and phones getting better, every person has a camera at hand most of the time. And the quality of photos on the iPhone is steadily getting better with every generation. Landlines. Need to dial 911? Do you have a landline? When is the last time you used a payphone? Mobiles are everywhere. No more putting coins in a slot to use the phone. Calculators. Most people do not get one of these out anymore. Why use a calculator when you can have the app? All the more so if it's built in and every iPhone comes with one. Alarm clocks. Hey Siri, set an alarm for tomorrow at 6 AM. This is how we set alarms now. Granted, this was not the case in the past. Alarm clocks were the buzz, literally. Maps. When is the last time you used a printed map to find your way around? When we need to get somewhere we don't know, we use the built-in GPS in our phone. Updated for the latest traffic conditions and ready to go. Diaries. We do use books, diaries, phone books, and contact books. However, they're not paper-based anymore. If it's useful, there's an app for that. If it's required, you have it on your iPhone. Hope you guys enjoyed this little walk through memory lanes. Catch you in the next one.